Hey, welcome back. Today, we're going to automate our bench using TestFlow AI. With TestFlow AI, you will be able to communicate with different instruments from different vendors and using microcontroller or whatever hardware you want to automate. Just upload your datasheet or the information about the device you want to test, and TestFlow AI will help you to generate the test plan, the test scripts, and execute it. Simply, I do connect the instruments via USB, LAN, GPIB to your PC. Let's create a test to sweep the frequency of the function generator and measure it with the oscilloscope. This is quite a complete test. You can see how TestFlow AI is able to generate test script and execute it simply in few clicks.
So let's here first add the instruments, the oscilloscope, and the function generator. I select the model. Then I will tell the AI what I need to do. Here the AI studied the instruments and understood what to do. Let's tell the test and all the specs I need to do or to measure in this test. As you see, the AI have created the workflow for me. I have the loop to set the frequency to sweep, function generator to set the frequency, and the oscilloscope to do some measurements. Let's save this. In a dry run, I can see the executor page have some charts and log. Let's go to the lab and see a live running.
I'm running the test without writing a single line of code. Here in the executor page, I have the full control to start, pause, stop, and resume the test. I have some live data to watch out what's going on in the test. Also, the AI, I can ask it to do some actions, give me some calculations or observations. Also, I have the log, the live log of the test. So let's grab some coffee and come back. Okay, so I'm back to check the test done. I have the log, the data saved locally to my computer. Looks fine. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.